Hello, welcome to RL's Entertainment. Today we're going to be reacting to BTOB's Blue, When It Rains. This song was a special request from the Jody 87. Sorry if I butchered your name. They said when I'm going to watch this video, make sure to have some tissues. So I got my tissues, of course. It's cute, little kitty. Meow. So yeah. Okay, now let's get started with the video. Let's go. Okay. Ready, set, go! So this is a subunit with 3 members, I believe. They got some amazing voices. Is that my baby? Song J. They legit like eat their CDs, man. They said this song is a goodbye song. I would say his name, but I'm so bad with names, I can't say it. Korean names. Whoa, they're right. Ooh, those tats. Bruh, don't walk so slow with the bread. Someday forgive you. Oh, those are so pretty. Gonna definitely add this to my sad song playlist. When there's SMH. Those voices, man. Those vocals. Yo, just if I knew what they said, man. I'm a horrible singer, but I'll be singing my heart out. Oh, bro. BTOB, Blue, When It Rains. I'm a bit late, but thank you for the request. I love the song. It's gonna be in my playlist. I'm gonna listen to it on repeat. You already know. Their vocals, man, their vocals. Make sure you comment below what video you'd like to see me react to, and also make sure comment below who's your bias. Thank you for spending some time with me. Hope to see you soon again. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Signing off.